welcome to my channel. Today's episode shows the draft to completion process of this outfit. Please stay tuned. The link on drafting a full bodice block is in the description box below. The length of this blouse is 28 inches. The dart for the front and back block is opened by 0.5 inch on both sides of the dart line. Replace the dart intake of 1 inch on the sides of the front and back block and reconnect the side lines. Take the difference of 2 inches between the front and back block, placing it below the nipple to nipple line, then connect to the bust points. Come down by 6.5 inches from the half length to complete the dart plotting, and for the back, come down by 5.5 inches from the half length. Taper the hem by 1 inch and curve the hem. Draw a princess dart line to the armhole. From the mid armhole, come down by 1.5 inches. Connect to the bust points. Extend the princess dart line by 1.5 inches and redraw the armhole. With a free hand, draw the princess dart line for the back block to the darts. Extend the line by 1 inch and draw the armhole. Tighten the underbust by 0.75 inch on the center front and 1.5 inch on the side fronts after the dart legs. Connect the underbust tightening to the hem. Replace the extra dart intake to the side and redraw the line. The shaded area will be cut out. Proceed to cut out the pattern. Separate the dart line and the line demarcating the front and back block. Close the bust darts, match up the side lines and continue cutting the pattern. Here is the pattern to be transferred to fabric. On the center back, add 0.5 inch seam allowance. From the half length, extend to the hem by 3 inches. Repeat same on the dart line of the center back all the way to the shoulder line. On the side back, add 0.5 inch at the top and along the dart line. From the half length, extend by 3 inches to the hem. Extend also the side by 3 inches. Add 1.5 inches as the side seam allowance, then 0.5 inch along the armhole. On the center front, add 1 inch zipper allowance, 0.5 inch on all other area. On reaching the half length, extend to 3 inches at the hem. At the under bust, 0.5 inch. Place seam on the half length, extend to the hem. For the side seam allowance, 1.5 inches. Extend to the 3 inches at the hem, then 0.5 inch around the armhole. Proceed to cut out the fabric. Note that the neck width is altered to 4 inches. Cutting now is the side back. Notch the half length as shown. Next is the side front. Notch the under bust and half length, then the center front. Notch the under bust and half length. Alter the neck width to 4 inches and the neck depth to 7 inches. Add 0.5 inch seam allowance, then cut as shown. Notch the zipper allowance. Separate the center fold. Here is the complete pattern cutout. Next, place the fabric on 4 folds for the sleeve. The length is 16 inches. The width is 12 inches. Come down by 4 inches from the top for the cap's height. Here I am drawing the S curve with a free hand. Place 6 inches for the hem plus 3 inches to create room for the elastic. Connect the side. Mark 8 inches from the hem on the center fold. Go in by 1.5 inches. Create a curve to the hem. Cut out the sleeve. From the hem, go up by 2 inches before cutting out the semicircle design to be replaced with an organza fabric. Watch out for part 2, the sewing process.